Hi everyone, my name is Elaine, BDM for New South Wales at Grow Finance. Here with me, I've got my partner in crime, George. Take it away.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you, Elaine. Yes, my name is George Steele, and I'm the other New South Wales BDM here at Grow Finance.
So in terms of industry trend in the last few months in our state, we've noticed there's a lot more capital intensive industries coming across for finance, but with our diversified portfolio of assets that we can now accept, we're seeing a lot more diversified businesses are coming through. So things like professional services, retails, catering, and even industry associations that we typically otherwise would have seen. Is there anything you'd like to add, George?
Yeah, bang on, Elaine. I agree with that completely. I mean, typically in the past, our product suite has been aligned to capital intensive industries like logistics, manufacturing, transport, construction. And as a result, our application flow has been heavily skewed towards those kind of assets. But opening up over the last few months to these other industries, we are seeing an upswing in flow for different types of assets. So things like solar, printing machines, CNC equipment. So we have definitely broadened, and I'd say in terms of trends, that's exactly what we've seen.
Yep, definitely. I mean, I also started to see some application through agriculture, and also any typically non-serialized items like scaffolding, sheds, flat pack sheds. We started to see those applications coming through. And those are sort of add-ons instead of, say, like your typical truck and trailers, which is the main assets for the particular business. So with exposure to that, there's also a great opportunity for our brokers to go and do a bit of a cross-sell as well. Not just after the solar panels is installed, like is there anything else that we can potentially assist you with? Because there's always that bit of a buffer there. Solar panels are usually it's usually the add-on assets instead of, like, say, the truck or a primary bar for a transport business. So it's been a great icebreaker for a lot of brokers, for myself definitely in the last few months.
Agree. And being a multi-product lender and having that cash flow arm to the business as well, we have seen we've got the ability to go back to the broker and talk about not only helping that business grow, so through buying assets, but to actually run their business and utilizing an overdraft or some form of working capital in that business as well. So we're seeing an upswing or a trend for dual applications, and at the same time seeing much more approvals on that side of the business with those products.
Definitely, like I've been seeing a lot more like instant. So when the asset finance typically come through, which is usually a reactive approach to getting the finance sorted for the customer, there's always the proactive approach as well, that after the asset finance or while the asset finance is being assessed or being settled, we can always assess you, say, for like a business loan or for a overdraft to cover for your working capital gap within the business as well. So it's been which is just another one of the enhancements that we can do, well, not just for the broker's business and income stream, but also for their customers, the end users as well.
Yep, 100%. Any tips from your side, Elaine, to I guess assist brokers with writing more commercial business or identifying opportunities for growth?
I think it's definitely asking the right questions with their particular customers. So besides like getting the CNC machine to set you through the job that you just signed up for, what else are you actually looking to achieve? So what's the customer's plan for the future for the next 3 to 6 months, especially given the current rising interest rate environment? I dare say that there's anyone that's ignorant to the current climate. So having that discussion about how to foolproof a business or how to have a contingency plan, I think has been really important.
Agree. From my side, I suppose as well, one thing I've been sort of making a conscious effort to talk about with my brokers is utilizing bank statements. I understand that most lenders do offer low doc products, but by having access to their bank statements, particularly through the Elaine bank link, it really does actually uncover a lot of opportunity. You can see that customer's existing facilities, you can see how they're managing their cash flow currently, and that can create opportunity by asking questions with your customers and talking about, you know, when those facilities are falling off, what opportunities they've got in the business are coming up, and where they're going to need potential cash flow gaps filled through working capital solutions. So for me, it's actually coming down. For me, it's about bank statements and utilizing that more effectively. That can really uncover more opportunities.
Yeah, definitely. I think the bank statement is really about pulse check within the business. Bank statements are like the financials. It's not something that you can manipulate.
Yeah.
And we offer training sessions for our brokers, not really just to sell the group products or group brand. Like reading bank statements is going to be becoming more and more important moving forward, not just to deal with us, but to deal with the suites of working capital lenders out there, and also pick up, like proactively pick up signs on how to, so what's the problem actually within the customer's business, and how do we foolproof it essentially moving forward.
Yeah. So thanks for tuning in, everybody. We hope you got a bit of value out of that today. So just to recap on what Elaine and I have sort of covered, firstly, we have broadened our appetite around industry and asset types. So please keep that in mind. We are a multi-product lender. We can come back to you guys with multiple solutions, not just on the asset side, but also to assist with working capital. And lastly, we are here to help. So please reach out if you'd like any training around analysing bank statements and being able to uncover more opportunities for your customers. Elaine and I are more than willing to help as well. Thanks, guys.